Okay, for number 3 on our practice ones, we've got silver chlorate plus ammonium phosphate. So I begin with what are these compounds? Well, silver chlorate, that's going to be made with silver, which is a +1, and chlorate is a -1, so they will just join together. Chlorate is ClO3, and that's going to be plus ammonium phosphate. Ammonium is NH4 +1, but phosphate is 3-, so it's going to give it a subscript 3, and phosphate is PO4. All right, now, silver chlorate, ammonium phosphate, do I have anything that's going to form a gas? And the answer is no. I don't have any of my combinations. I do have one for ammonium, but the ammonium reaction requires a strong hydroxide, and I don't have hydroxide, so no gas. This is another precipitation reaction. All right. Now, these are all very soluble compounds, so what I'm really going to have floating around in my beaker are going to be silver ions, chlorate ions, ammonium ions, and phosphate ions. So I need to hunt for my insoluble pair. What two things will not stay in solution? Now, sometimes this is super easy because my solubility rules tell me that all ammonium salts are soluble. So it can't be NH4. And also all chlorates are soluble. So it can't be chlorate. That only leaves my choices are it's got to be the phosphate and the silver. Right? So I'm going to make silver phosphate for sure. That'll be a solid. And if you can see it, if these two, chlorate and ammonium, are never going to form a soluble compound, then they're going to be ions on the other side of the arrow also, which means they're spectators. They're on both the left and the right of the arrow, so I don't have to write them because they don't go through any changes. So my complete reaction is just that I have Ag plus silver ions, and I'm reacting that with phosphate ions, and I'm making silver phosphate. And if you like to see the balance, there it is.